candles burned down. Let's see. Well, before I make dino nuggets, I'm gonna show some EDC stuff. Let's see. Wallet. Let's see. This is the Nebo Slim. It's been a great flashlight. Very bright. Just bright and dim. Added a cord to it. Lost this rubber thing that protects that charging port, but I've been using it for a couple years. It's a good flashlight. Oh, 811 chapstick. Need to locate? Call 811. Bucky slider. Let's see. What's in my pockets? Ah, here we go. Victorinox Cyber Tool. Or Swiss Army knife. This I use mainly for the micro driver. For my kids' toys that you hear in there. And carries some bits. Carries another micro driver for glasses. For my wife's glasses. And my glasses. Has little pliers. 2 knives. Oh yeah, where is it? In the scissors. Let's see, one-handed. Yeah, Victorinox scissors comes in handy. I'm gonna switch to my day bag. Front pouch. Mosquito repellent. Useful. Boo-boo kit for my kids' knee scrapes and whatnot. Alcohol pads and whatever. Bozeman, Montana. Got it for free. This is bleed stop. I do carry a gun, so I have some of that. A bag of meds. Aspirin, emergency, more band-aids. These are very good. These are very good tweezers. Liquid bandage. Let's see. Let's flip over the bag. What else do I have? Open the zip. Gloves. Useful. The Buck 110. I got this off of Points, so from Cabela's or something. Very sharp, very nice big knife folder. Love the Buck 110. Let's see. Cordage. Useful. For cordage, I find all I can remember is the bowline, the tot line hitch, a Marlin spike loop, the trucker's hitch, and for my shoelaces I tie a Berluti knot. Look up Pair Essentials to tie that. Those are all the knots I can remember. Let's see. What else? This is a Gerber center point for fixing stuff. Good at work. Has the centerline driver. That's been very useful. Let's see. Open it up again. Has some bit storage there. A little pry bar here. And an awl. Serrated blade. I'd rather have a saw, but it has a serrated blade. A file. There, if I can get it. Little file. And let's see. Boop, boop. And little knife here. So, work tool. I had gave my brother my Surge my Surge clone actually, and got the center point. So I wanted to try that out. Let's see what else. Wallet. Let's see. Tinder for fire making. I don't carry all the 5 C's, but I have some of them. Combustion, cordage, cutting tool. A little sharpener for my cutting tools. Just to hone the blade in the field sharpener. More for my kid, runny noses, tissue paper, maybe makeshift toilet paper. You never know. These Vault toilets. Let's see, work phone, put that over there. Let's see. Oh, so if I'm not carrying my Victorinox in my pocket, I do have this SOG power pint. It's just got more robust pliers. Let's see, if I had some bits, I can stick it up there. Let's see, knife, awl, another micro driver, hook, and file with the serrated bottom. And then on this side, another serrated blade, can opener, little Phillips, let's see, bottle opener, and the scissors. Yeah, scissors. So almost everything I'd want except for the micro driver and the cyber tool. But you can carry this plus a one of those pin micro driver sets. So the SOG's been good. Let's see. Oh, shelter, right? A little bit of emergency shelter. This is pretty big actually in the small pouch. So I got cordage, cutting, combustion, cover, cordage, combustion, cutting, cover. Just missing container. Yeah. I find you can find container from trash if need be. And then last thing I have is this. Is my High Point C9. Only carries 8 in the mag, 1 in the chamber. I don't carry 1 in the chamber. I have a kid, so I'm afraid of negligent discharges. But I got this for $100 at Sportsman's Warehouse with military discount or veterans discount. So it ended up being $95. No tax in Montana, so $95 straight. People make fun of the C9, but it's been a great gun. Very sturdy, easy to fix, maintain, good warranty, shoots well, American made. It's not the fanciest gun, but it's a good gun. I like it. And yeah, going back to camping. I hear the birds outside.